Namaste. योग एक जीवन शैली है. It is a foundation of life. It's a pure science of life. Yoga is a too small word. It has an ocean in it. Myself, Jasmine Shah, the founder member of Shri Rishabh Ajit Swasthya Yoga Kendra. I congratulate all my team on their International Yoga Day and all the participants that you all have given us opportunity to serve our knowledge. As you might be knowing, we held health awareness program from last 15 years on various topics. As we know, there are 7 dimensions in life. First is very important, that is physical and health as well, so we need to take care of it. The second is mental, emotional, social, finance, time and spiritual. My motto was looking at all the dimensions. We were working on various fields to learn and grow. Basic idea for doing all other activities was very simple. We wanted you to discover your passion right way. Pursue it, identify it, and go deeper into the things that you love. And when you are ready to, we wish you give with your knowledge to the community, to the society. That's what it is about. In our team, 25 plus doctors and certified yoga teachers who wishes to give back with their knowledge. Till now, more than 10,000 participants got benefited. Out of that, there are many have found their professions because those who have given their time, their expertise and their knowledge for a social cause. On this occasion, I express my deepest gratitude Yogi Shri Nityanandji Swamiji, my grandfather Shamji Bhai, Guruvar Anna Vyavhariji, who cultivated yoga in my life. I express my deepest gratitude to my father-in-law for a constant support, who is a vice president of Shri Thana Kachi KVOD Deravasi Jain Sangh, and the trust panel committee who gave opportunity to serve the society. Here, my team, I express gratitude, Dr. Ajit Oak, Dr. Anjali Gangal, Dr. Pratibha Gokhale, Dr. Alpa Dalal, Mrs. Neelam Bogate, Mrs. Daksha Nishal, Mr. Mahendra Sir, Mr. Mahesh Talekar ji, Mrs. Naina Nisar, Mrs. Dipali Maru, Mrs. Aparna Deria, Mrs. Shubhta Nimkar ji, Mrs. Priyanka Patel, Mrs. Kiran Kursija, Mrs. Namrata Shirorkar, Mrs. Manju Mota, Mrs. Leena Satra, Mrs. Alka Maheshwari, Mrs. Amruta Vadhan, Mrs. Anju Verma, Mrs. Nehal Shah, Mrs. Komal Deria, Mrs. Jasmina Gogri, Dr. Roopmati Evlekar, Dr. Harsha Kulkarni, Dr. Datta Kulkarni, Mrs. Nidhi Mota, Mrs. Rajul Visaria, who all were the success of this doing all these activities. I thank you once again. I thank you all my team and hope your dedication for betterment of the people and our trust. Thank you so much.
Hari Om, this is Dr. Anjali Gangal, practicing physiotherapist in Thane since last 35 years. Also practicing yoga since last 18 years. I am connected to Rishabh Ajit Yoga Swasthya Kendra since last 14-15 years, since its inception. And last 5 years, I am active in conducting yoga classes as well. Rishabh Ajit Swasthya Kendra is working for empowerment of women and personality development of children since last so many years, and conducting so many programs for women, Sanskrit Bharati classes, embroidery classes, fashion designing. For children, it is Blooming Birds program, Saksham, martial art. So, taking social responsibility of all the elements of the society in its development. Last 5 years, even I am active in conducting yoga classes, especially middle-aged women who are undergoing knee replacement surgeries, hysterectomies so frequently. So I decided to conduct a joint program of yoga and physiotherapy. That is our ancient science of spirituality and modern science of physiotherapy. By blending together, I conducted a program 5 years back. It was so successful. More than 35 women participated in it. And Then consecutive programs are going on and on because that was the demand of today. I'm very much thankful to Rishabh Ajit Yoga Swasthya Kendra for giving me an opportunity to work with center, and the staff and the management is so cooperative that without any hurdle, without any obstacle, these programs are going on. More than 5 to 6 classes a day, yoga classes are being conducted. ये इन सारी एक्टिविटीज़ के लिए ऋषभ अजीत स्वास्थ्य केंद्र को मेरी मनोमन शुभेच्छाएं। यह कार्यक्रम हमेशा चलता रहे और यह उस केंद्र का विकास होता रहे, वृद्धिंगत होता रहे, ये मेरी शुभकामना ऋषभ अजीत स्वास्थ्य केंद्र को। धन्यवाद। हरिओम।
I am Dr. Pratibha Gokhale, retired professor from University of Mumbai and a practicing yoga teacher. At the onset, I wish a very happy 7th International Yoga Day to everybody. And on this occasion, I am very happy and I take a great pleasure to express and to say few words about the Rishabh Ajit Swasthya Yoga Kendra. My association with this Kendra is more than 5 years in the capacity of a sadhak as well as a teacher. And during this period, what I have observed is that the Kendra is really striving for the Swasthya, for the yoga, for uniting the people from all walks of life, from all age groups. Now, be it for growing children, or housewives, or young adults, or senior citizens. They have a variety of programs in their store, which include traditional yoga, memory improvement, meditation, joint pain management, program for senior citizens, breathing techniques, dietary consultation, and so on, and for which they have their regular ongoing throughout the year programs as well as short-term programs, medium-term programs, and so on, and that is how they implement this in their best possible way. In order to implement this, they invite best of the best experts from all different fields and carry out the programs successfully. I have great pleasure in expressing my gratitude as well as my best wishes for the growth and progress of this Kendra. Once again, wishing everybody a very happy International Yoga Day. Stay fit, stay healthy. Thank you very much.
Everyone, I am Aparna Devia, a certified meditation teacher. On this International Yoga Day, I would like to take this opportunity to thank Rishabh Ajit Jinale and Jasmine to provide a beautiful platform for mental, emotional healing. And I love the way Jasmine encourages people to learn various skills and hobbies and pursue them to make their own careers. Cheers to Jasmine and Rishabh Ajit Jinale. Keep up the good work.
हरिओम, मेरा नाम दक्षा नेसर, मैं एक योग एंड फिटनेस ट्रेनर हूँ। श्री ऋषभ अजीत जिनालय स्वास्थ्य योग केंद्र के साथ मैं पिछले 7 साल से जुड़ी हुई हूँ। इस प्लेटफॉर्म ने मुझे बहुत कुछ दिया, नाम दिया, बहुत कुछ सीखा मैंने इस संस्था के साथ जुड़कर। बहुत लोग ऐसे मिले जो मेरे जीवन में एक प्रेरणा रूप है। मैं सच में इस संस्था के साथ शुक्रगुजार हूँ कि जिन्होंने आज मुझे इस मुकाम तक पहुँचाया। थैंक यू सो मच ऋषभ अजीत जिनालय स्वास्थ्य योग केंद्र। मैं हर एक उस टीचर को शुक्रिया कहना चाहती हूँ जो मुझे इस संस्था के द्वारा मिले और मुझे हमेशा आगे बढ़ने की प्रेरणा देते रहे। मेरे जैसे कितने लोगों को इस संस्था ने आगे बढ़ाया है, अपने पैरों पर खड़ा किया है। एक मामूली सी फीस से आज लोग हज़ारों कमा रहे हैं इस संस्था के साथ जुड़कर। मैं सच में बहुत बहुत आभारी हूँ इस संस्था की और बस यही प्रार्थना करती हूँ कि मैं हमेशा हमेशा इस संस्था के साथ जुड़ी रहूँ और हमेशा अच्छा काम करती रहूँ इस संस्था के साथ जुड़कर। थैंक यू।
सभी को मेरा प्रणाम। मेरा नाम महेंद्र है और मैं मुरुन पिरामिड स्पिरिचुअल सोसाइटी से जुड़ा हुआ हूँ और उनको रिप्रेजेंट करता हूँ। ऋषभ अजित स्वास्थ्य केंद्र के साथ मैं लगभग 3 साल से जुड़ा हुआ हूँ और इन 3 सालों में ऋषभ अजित स्वास्थ्य केंद्र ने, जास्मीन जी ने मुझे जितने बार मौका दिया ध्यान सिखाने के लिए, कार्यक्रम कंडक्ट करने के लिए, उसका मैं बहुत बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ। ऋषभ अजित स्वास्थ्य केंद्र में बहुत सारी इनोवेटिव, यूज़फुल, प्रोडक्टिव ऐसे काफ़ी सारे एक्टिविटीज़ होती है। नेचुरोपैथी कोर्सेस, आयुर्वेदा, एक्यूप्रेशर, एक्यूपंक्चर, फेस योगा, ट्रेडिशनल योगा, पावर योगा, ये सब कुछ यहाँ पे होता है। वो भी बहुत ही स्वस्थ दरों में, जिसके जो कोर्सेज़ की कीमत हज़ारों में है बाहर, वो सभी कोर्सेज़ यहाँ पे बहुत ही नॉमिनल रेट्स में होते हैं, जो एक मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है, क्योंकि सबको अफोर्डेबल भी होना है एंड सबको यूज़फुल भी होना है। बहुत सारे लोग इससे बेनिफिट होते हैं। जो भी कोर्सेस है, आप सभी लोग उसका ज़रूर फ़ायदा उठाएं, उनके साथ जुड़े। जो भी कार्यक्रम होते हैं उसमें आप भागीदार बने। जो भी आपको सिखाया जाता है आप उसको इम्प्लीमेंट ज़रूर करें। और द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज़ मेडिटेशन ज़रूर करें। आने वाला समय बहुत ही क्रूशियल है, बिकॉज़ ये ट्रांजिशनल पीरियड है और ट्रांजिशनल पीरियड में हम सभी को तैयार रहना है। ये बोल के नहीं चलेगा कि मैं ध्यान नहीं करूँगा और तभी मेरा ट्रांजिशन हो जाएगा, ऐसा पॉसिबल नहीं है। हमको ट्रांजिशन स्मूथली होना है, हमको सब कुछ तैयार रहना है, सब सिचुएशंस में तैयार रहना है। इसके लिए हमारे जो ऋषि मुनि होके गए, पतंजलि और संत महात्मा होके गए, श्री गौतम बुद्धा और भी बहुत सारे संत महात्मा होके गए, श्री महावीर, ओशो, ब्रह्मर्षि पत्री जी, ये सब लोग एक ही बात बोलते हैं और वो है ध्यान का बात। ध्यान से ही मिलेगा ज्ञान, ज्ञान से मिलेगी मुक्ति। इसलिए आप अपनी संस्कृति के साथ जुड़े, आयुर्वेदा के साथ जुड़े, नेचुरोपैथी के साथ जुड़े। तो ये सब सीखने के लिए आप घर बैठे मौका मिल रहा है। इतने दिन तक हमारे सारे कोर्सेस ऑनलाइन नहीं थे, सब ऑफलाइन कोर्सेस थे, केंद्र में जाके सबको सीखना पड़ता था। अभी आप आपके घर पे बैठकर आराम से सीख सकते हैं। इसका ज़रूर आप फ़ायदा उठाएं, बिकॉज़ बहुत ही मूल्यवान चीज़ें हम लेके आते हैं ऋषभ अजित के स्वास्थ्य केंद्र के द्वारा। उनके बहुत एफ़र्ट्स जाते हैं इसमें, ये सारे मास्टर्स को इकट्ठा लेके आना, उनके साथ कम्युनिकेट करना, कोऑर्डिनेट करना, टाइमिंग्स एडजस्ट करना। इट इज़ नॉट एन ईजी वर्क और जास्मीन जी बहुत ही अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं। ये सब लोगों को जुड़ा के रखने का काम बहुत ही क्रूशल काम है। सो मेरी वाइफ भी काफ़ी सारे कोर्सेस में यहाँ पे इन्वॉल्व रहती है एंड उसको भी बहुत सारे कोर्सेस सीखने को मिले हैं यहाँ पे। सो हम दोनों की तरफ से बहुत बहुत थैंक यू सो मच। और इसी प्रकार हम और करते रहेंगे काम, क्योंकि ध्यान कभी रुकना नहीं चाहिए। सो थैंक यू सो मच।
Hello everyone, myself Dipali Maru, fashion designer by profession and a certified yoga instructor and a certified rhythmic breathing instructor. Thanks to the divine energies, thanks to Rishabh Ajit Jinalaya Swasthya Kendra for giving me the opportunity to make this rhythmic breathing sadhana to reach more and more people and bring overall wellness for the well-being. I thank to my teacher Dr. Alpa ma'am who gave me the foundation and knowledge of yoga. to experience this journey which I am on. Thanks to people and students who I met on this journey. Because of their motivation, encouragement, and interest, I kept on going enthusiastically on this path. Now, little bit about the rhythmic sadhana. This sadhana is beautifully designed for overall well-being of a person, be it body discipline, mental and emotional control, stress management, and developing positive way towards life by cultivating good habits. This is 1 hour of a powerful, power-packed session to keep your 23 hours full of energy. So I request every...
Hi, I'm Namrata Shrote. I'm certified rhythmic breathing instructor. Rishabh Ajit Swasthya Yoga Kendra has provided very good platform to learn so many different classes like chakra balancing, face yoga, meditation, candle making workshop and soap making workshop and many more. These classes Rishabh Ajit Swasthya Yoga Kendra has helped me with balancing my chakras, long meditation and handling stress, anxiety with supporting my physical, emotional and mental growth. Thank you so much Rishabh Ajit Swasthya Yoga Kendra and Jasmine ji for everything. Thank you.
Namaste everyone. I'm Kiran Kursija, Face Yoga instructor. I would like to pay my gratitude to Shri Rishabh and Ajit Yoga Swasthya Kendra and Jasmine ji for giving me this teaching opportunity. Since the time I have started teaching face yoga and started receiving feedbacks and compliments from people related to our classes. It has helped me grow and nurture as a person. It has given me the exposure to gain that confidence and addressing so many of you together. Rishabh and Ajit has been helping a lot of people during this ongoing pandemic through numerous online classes. Thank you.
Hi friends, my name is Anju Verma. I have been connected with Rishabh Yoga Kendra since many months through a common friend Deepali, who connected me with Jasmine ji, who is the organizer of this trust. And since I am an art teacher, I have conducted many workshops in drawing and painting with the help of Jasmine ji, who has organized them for me. She is very supportive and very helpful, and I have had a wonderful time teaching. I have conducted so many classes for them. And since art is also meditation, kind of a meditation, it gels perfectly well with the vision of this trust, because they are into yoga, meditation, many other workshops which help the people. And on a personal front, Jasmine ji has been very helpful, because when I had developed some sciatica pain, I was helped through these yoga classes and the information that I got from here, and it has really helped me a lot. So I'm very thankful. I'm very, very thankful and happy to be connected with this trust. And on this occasion of International Yoga Day, I hope everybody enjoys the workshops they have kept for this day. So, and I hope everybody joins in to have a happy life, healthy life, stay safe. Thank you.
मैं नैना निसर योग ट्रेनर। पिछले 5 सालों से मैं जस्मीन जी और ऋषभ अजीत जिनालय के स्वास्थ्य केंद्र से जुड़ी हुई हूँ। मैं वहाँ पर ट्रेडिशनल और पावर योगा के बेसिस लेती हूँ। इस तरह से मैंने योगा की जर्नी शुरू की। आज मैं इस संस्था से बहुत खुश हूँ कि मैंने वहाँ पर नेचुरोपैथी और आयुर्वेदा सीखते हुए बहुत से नए लोगों से मिलने का मुझे मौका मिला। इस जर्नी से मुझे इस तरह से मैं आगे अपने ग्रोथ और अपने आप में अलग सा कॉन्फिडेंस देख रही हूँ। इस अलग कॉन्फिडेंस से मैं इस परिवार के साथ बहुत ही खुश हूँ। इस संस्था का मैं शुक्रिया अदा कर रही हूँ, दिल से शुक्रिया अदा। टीचर्स को भी शुक्रिया अदा, जस्मीन जी को भी।
Congratulations all for 7th International Yoga Day. and wishing you all a very healthy, wealthy and blissful life ahead. I'm happy to share that on the first International Yoga Day in 2015, I enrolled for the diploma for yoga at Khantali Mitra Mandal. After that, I was junior in MA Yoga Shastra class with Somaya College, and I entered Rishabh Ajit Swasthya Kendra to assist Dr. Anjali Gangal for the joint pain class. After that, I assisted Dr. Ankita for the pregnant ladies also, and started the journey, conducted the class for senior citizen, and especially I like the class, enjoyed a lot, kids camp Blooming Birds with my husband Dr. Nitin Nimkar, and it's going on. I'm very fortunate and happy to say that working with the team of Jasmine is very enjoyable, because she is very creative, and we are doing many good things and trying to give more and more to the participants, and enjoyed with Daksha, Naina, who is my classmate of diploma class, and actually one more thing is I like the place of the class when was offline is the Jain Mandir. It's very blissful and very calm. I felt like peaceful there. Though the class is now online, then also I'm feeling very blissful, and I'm getting many more and beyond while sharing my knowledge, a little bit knowledge in the class with whole the class, and wishing the Rishabh Ajit Kendra all the best, and I wish the journey will go on, and we all will enjoy, and not the end of it, but wish you all Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah, Sarve Santu Niramayah, Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu, Kaschit Dukha Bhave. Thank you.